Okay. Let's do it. Yep.
Oh, got stuck. Just gonna hit the rod instead. Why do you have these, like, whatever, inverse polydrive?
I actually
Torx
have
things?
no idea.
They are polydrive, though. It's
They are
not
the-
Torx. It is inverse
No,
polydrive.
it's Torx.
I don't think so.
It's Torx.
No way.
It's inverse
It's so flat here. Torx is supposed to be sharper. But your bits are correct.
Anyway,
Why do you have those? It's such a weird...
I have no idea why.
It's a weird set of stuff.
Yeah, I have no idea why I have those particular sockets.
You don't remember getting them?
No. It's been there for quite a while.
Ready?
Yep. Came out easily.
There's one.
Okay, last guy.
I can see a little bit of scoring on this, the crab cylinder,
Okay.
right there.
We should take it into a machine shop.
It's just so small. Here, you wanna see it?
I believe you.
Just look. It's just two little scratches. I don't know, maybe it doesn't really matter.
Well, tell you what, we'll take it to a machine shop and say, hey, take a look at this because
right. You can see where my, just above that circular thumbprint,
Yeah,
do you see those? Two parallel
yes,
ones.
I see them.
So, I mean, do you think that matters?
I don't know. I don't know how much matters or that. You know, the piston rings are already kind of, you know, they give.
They give you some leeway.
Yeah.
I know, I'm just not sure, like, what are the tolerances
What
for
are the
this?
tolerances?
I have no idea. I don't even have, like, a rough guess.
I mean, we can get the cylinders honed. If that's what it takes now. I mean, we've got this, right? We can just take this little piece to a machine shop and say, hey guys, take a look. You know, I don't see any bad, bearings leaking oil or anything. This is your main bearing right here, right? Two sides.
Yeah. There's no, not even a sign of leaking oil.
Yep.
So where was that, like, oil coming from before?
Oh, any number of leaky hoses on the outside. But I know that there was some blow by because pistons, when you started it up, it would go and puff some blue smoke out.
But where was that coming out of, right? Tailpipe?
Yeah. So I think that's in the cylinders. Cylinders will pump right out. Right?
Yeah, I know.
So now we put in new pistons and new piston rings. That should be better.
I hope I'm not scoring you with this wood.
No, you can't score. Not possible.
I hope the rods aren't doing it then. As they go through.
No, I don't think that doesn't. No, I think we've extracted it in a very gentle fashion. All right, it's all done. Sweet. I think we can call it a good day's work now. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ ತರೋಣ ಟು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್. Okay, all pistons are out.